Abhor. To hate deeply. He abhors lying and dishonesty. Adamant. Firm in opinion. He was adamant about not changing his decision. Adroit. Skillful, clever. He is adroit at solving difficult problems. Amiable. Friendly, pleasant. The new neighbor is very amiable and kind. Apathetic. Showing no interest. He seemed apathetic about studying. Apprehensive. Fearful about the future. She felt apprehensive before her first flight. Arduous. Difficult, requiring effort. Climbing the mountain was an arduous task. Astute. Clever, perspective. The astute lawyer quickly found the mistake. Bolster. To support or strengthen. His encouragement bolstered my confidence. Breach. A violation or gap. The company faced a breach of security. Candid. Honest, straightforward. She gave a candid response to the question. Chronic, long-lasting, persistent. He has been suffering from chronic headaches. Coherent, logical and clear. Her explanation was clear and coherent. Colossal. Huge, massive. The statue was colossal and impressive. Complacent. Self-satisfied, unmotivated. He became complacent after his first success. Comply. To follow rules. Employees must comply with company rules. Conspicuous. Easily noticeable. Her red dress made her conspicuous in the crowd. Contemplate. To think deeply. He sat quietly contemplating his future. Dauntless. Fearless. Courageous. The firefighter was dauntless in the risk. Defer. To postpone. He decided to defer the meeting to next week. Deft. Skillful, quick. She showed her deft skills in painting. Depict. To describe or show. The book depicts life in a small village. Deprive. To deny or take away. Lack of sleep can deprive you of energy. Derogatory. Insulting, disrespectful. His derogatory comments offended many people. Diligent. Hardworking, persistent. She is a diligent worker who never misses a deadline. Discern. To perceive, recognize. She could discern the smell of cookies from the kitchen. Discreet. Careful, tactful. She was discreet about sharing personal details. Dubious. Doubtful, suspicious. The offer seemed dubious and too good to be true. Eccentric. Unconventional, odd. Her eccentric clothing choices stood out. Elaborate, detailed, complex. The report was detailed and elaborate. Elude. To escape, avoid. The thief managed to elude the police. Empower. To give power. Education empowers people to achieve their goals. Encompass. To include, surround. The project encompasses several important topics. Enrich. To improve, enhance. Reading can enrich your knowledge. Ephemeral. Short-lived, fleeting. The sunset's beauty was ephemeral but stunning. Evade. To avoid, escape. The rabbit quickly evaded the dog by jumping into a hole. Exemplify. To illustrate, demonstrate. His leadership skills exemplify true dedication. Exhort. To strongly encourage. The coach exhorted the players to do their best. Falter. To hesitate, weaken. Her voice faltered during the speech. Feasible. Possible. Achievable. The plan is ambitious but feasible. Fickle. Changing frequently. The weather in this region is very fickle. Flourish. To grow, prosper. The company flourished under new management. Frugal. Economical. Thrifty. He is frugal and avoids unnecessary spending. Grimace. A facial expression of pain. She grimaced after tasting the sour lemon. Hinder. To obstruct, slow down. Heavy traffic hindered their arrival. Impeccable. Flawless, perfect. Her manners were impeccable with her grandmother. Thanks for watching. If you like my videos, do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe.